Hello everyone, welcome to the explanation. So I have got lots of comment regarding to solve a video or to make a video regarding important question for the coding part. Okay, so coding part, the question for coding or the program, it is not fixed because you can get any type of question. So if you know the concept of theory, or if you know the programming concept, you can solve any type of question. So this is not a video in order to tell that this question is important, but these type of questions, they can be asked frequently. Okay, so please don't depend upon this video for programming part, because if it's luck, the question can be from this also, but if not, there will be no question from this video. So it's just a video related to the types of question like for programming from this chapter. So please don't depend on this video again, and best wishes for your exam. Okay, so from chapter 1 to 3 4, they are totally theory chapters. From operators and expressions, questions that can be asked is to solve a expression. Okay, solve the expression, that is increment and decrement operator. So this is not a regular question, they ask it sometimes. Another question from control strings, they can ask a number of questions, so if it is if else, so they can ask giving a condition like if your marks is greater than 80, print distinction. If your marks is greater than 70, print first division. So this is the condition type question. Okay, next type of question. So this type of conditions question, they can ask for any topic, like for marks or for you know two conditions, like if your age is greater than 18, and if you are a male, then you can cast a vote, like this. So conditions you should be able to use. Next question, from switch statement. Okay, so that calculator question, like if it is plus, a plus b. If it is minus, so it should be a minus b, like this. So this is a mini calculator question. So switch statement, this is also a frequently asked question. Next, from looping, for, while or do while, any loop you can use. So a number of questions are there from this chapter. You cannot predict that this question will come. Okay, so like some questions are Armstrong number. Okay, to check whether a number is Armstrong or not, to check whether a number is palindrome or not, to find the reverse of a number. Okay, then to check whether a number is strong or not, whether a number is prime or not, to find the prime factor, to check whether a number is triangular or not. Okay, so now lots of question are there from this chapter. From this chapter you can expect a number of question. Okay, also one of the also the question can be like, take a number like 1 2 3 4 and count the digit of the number, or find the sum of the digit of the number, or add the digits of the number till you get a single digit, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 4 7 8 9 10. So 10 is the answer. Again add this 1 plus 0, so 1 is the answer. Okay, so this type of questions, they asked from this looping and control. And another question that can be asked, so very rare, okay, very frequently, not frequently, like sometimes they ask question from pattern and series. Print the series or print the pattern. Okay, other question like decimal to binary, binary to decimal, or prime number between range, they can ask. Yes, they can ask this Armstrong number between range. Okay, so please do watch the videos we have solved. We have tried to cover all type of questions that can be asked in exam. So this is from I think this question is from control string. Okay, so next topic, without further delay, let's go to next topic. Okay, so next topic is function. Okay, so from function chapter, okay, next topic is from function. Okay, so theory question I have already discussed. So from function chapter, they can ask find the factorial of a number. No, it's a very easy question, so we cannot expect a question from this. Yes, they can ask question like, write a function to evaluate y equals to xn, that is power of a number. Yes, and they can ask, write a program to find the prime number using function. Check whether a number is prime or not. Using function, check whether a number is Armstrong or not. Using function, check whether a number is reverse or not. So all above questions they can ask with the help of this function. Okay, and going to other part, they can, yeah, very important question, this is Fibonacci series. They can ask, check whether a number is Fibonacci or to generate the Fibonacci series of a number. Okay, and then sometimes they just tweak the question. For example, if there is number 1 2 3 4 5 6, so just find the sum of the even digits of this, like 2 plus 4 plus 6. So this type of question you can be able to solve only if you know the concept of programming. Okay, next question is, yes, call by reference, and call by value. Okay, call by reference and call by value question. So next, the next question can be asked from recursive function. Okay, so recursive function like Fibonacci series, Fibonacci using recursive function. Okay, reverse of a number using recursive function. So all the above program, all this program, they can ask to be solved using loop, using function, using recursive function. Okay, so please see these questions. Next topic is array. Okay, so again, from array, one of the question that is most frequently asked. If you please, all these questions you can see it's in old question also. Okay, so you can go and see it's in old question. So one question that is frequently asked in old question is sorting of a number, that is ascending and descending order they can ask. Okay, sorting of a number. Then similarly for string also we can ask, like sorting of the names can be asked from here, sorting of the names. Okay, sorting of number plus names. Okay, other is matrix multiplication. Okay, next is transpose of a matrix. Next is sum of diagonal element. Yes, sum of diagonal element. And then okay, so next is next question is, just wait a minute. Okay, next question is, you have to sort the name of 5%, sort names of 10% or 5% they can say. Yes, and all the string handling function in order to solve, like find the reverse of a number without using string reverse function. So this type of question they can ask for all the string handling functions. Okay, so one question, just example, there is one question like, you have to count, you take a number of array and then you have to count the positive number and negative number and zeros. You take a string and you have to count the vowel, consonants and commas. Okay, so you have to take an array, and then you have to find the sum of only odd number. Okay, so these type of questions can be asked from here. Again, some questions can be asked by passing the array to a function. Okay, passing array to a function. For example, sort number or names by using a function. So you have to make a sort function, and then you can solve this question. Okay, so this is from string, and the next is from structure. Okay, so from the structure, again there are lots of questions that cannot be predicted. So general structure questions like from nested structure or from array of structure they can ask, or they can ask to make a structure employee and sort the salary of employee, or sort the name of employee, and display the first the person with the in ascending order, or the name of the first person in ascending order. They can ask like this. So each and every question we have, I think I have covered in the videos, previous videos. Please do watch the videos. Again, from file chapter, there are a number of questions that I cannot cover in this video. So to copy the content of one file to another file, or to write a structure to a file and read back that. Okay, write a structure and read back, or to go to write the even numbers. Okay, to write only the even numbers in a file. So these type of questions can be asked. It's very hard for me to make a video on this topic because seriously, uh, if you're lucky you can get a question from here, otherwise you'll not get any question from here. So programming question, it cannot be predicted. So please do study the concept and go and try to solve each and every question. And also please solve each and every question. Even if you don't know any question, try to solve, write a few lines or solve a few lines. Don't leave any question entirely. Okay, so that if you are getting like just pass marks, or if you are going to fail by 1 or 2 marks, you can get the grace marks for that. So that is very important exam. Now all the best, and after the exam I'll try to solve the question for that exam also. So all the best for your exam. Thank you.